Hello there, this video is to show the Formstack integration ProcessMaker 4. In order to see the integration and activate the integration, you need to go to admin. In the admin section, we have a new icon named Formstack. Click there. And once you have the configuration page loaded, the only thing you need to do is click the Enable Formstack integration switch and enter the API key. In order to check everything is correctly installed, you can use the test integration button in order to retrieve this text succeed message here. That's the way you configure the component in the ProcessMaker 4 application. To see how this integration works, you need to go to the designer. For this, I will create a new process here. Form. Let me create one Formstack demo here. Let's grab this here. The category should be Formstack, and that's it. We have a new process in the modeler. As you can see, we have two new elements in the toolbar here. What is the Formstack start event, and the other is the Formstack task. In order to show that, I will only drag these elements over the canvas, and we will configure in this way. When you are using Formstack as a start event, you are creating a web entry, okay? And for that, the only thing you need to do is select the form you want to use, the initial request in this case. The web entry URL is created automatically, and you can choose what kind of fields you want to copy the moment the form is completed in the Formstack to the ProcessMaker request. In this case, I will leave everything here. Okay. In order to make this something runnable, I will add another task here. This will be a script task. In order to have everything very simple, I will choose a script here. Evaluate if advanced. Okay, that's good. And I will close this process. Very simple. Okay. Okay, let's see if everything is okay. And the configuration for our Formstack is here. Okay, that's good. That's one way to use the integration. The other way is used in a task. For that, I will use another start event here. Let's connect this to the Formstack and finish this as well. After that, very simple. In order to configure this element, the only thing you need to do is select the task assignment, because this is a user task replacement. I would choose, for the demo purpose, assign to a specific user. That would be myself right now. Okay. I need to choose the Formstack form I want to use. In this case, I will use this initial request as well, or no, let's use this basic form here. The web entry URL is still usable, and by now you can choose what are the fields you want to select here. I will choose only these three, and in order to see this web entry URL, and you don't need to have or memorize it in some way, you have the capability to send a notification in order to do that. So I will enable notification to the assignee. I have the possibility to enter a subject here. Please fill this form. That's the subject I would have in my email. The plain text would be the email. Okay, in that case, please fill the following link, following form. Okay. And for that, we will use Formstack web entry variable and thanks. Okay, I have an email created, very simple, and right now I am ready to start doing the testing. Let's save this. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay, we are ready. Let's summarize. So Formstack event right now will be connected to this initial request, and we have a ProcessMaker URL here. So let me copy this and let's trigger this. So I will use this one here, and ProcessMaker is rendering the form initial request that is stored in my Formstack account. Okay, let's set up this. Okay, company name, ProcessMaker, responsible. Okay, okay, email. ProcessMaker.com. Okay, everything else is optional, so I am ready to do this. Okay, this is completed. That's it. So ProcessMaker should create the. Let's open a new tab with the information of my request. So this should be completed. So I am open the completion. Let's see, Formstack demo. That sounds good. So right now I am opening the information here. And an anonymous user started your request. The system has completed tasks in the script task. And I have the information here. Okay, I have the email, the phone, the address, the responsible, the company name, and the company type that is calculated by the script task. So right now you are collecting information from Formstack, and ProcessMaker is storing the information inside a request. Okay, let's do the second part of the demo. For that, you need to go to request. So we will trigger this Formstack start event. That should be that. So let's click there. So a new request is created, and right now is in the Formstack assigned to Enrique, right? In this case, you don't need to memorize the web entry, and for that we have a notification. So let's open the email. So in that case, I think we'll have okay, yeah, a notification. Please fill this form. This is the email we received. If you remember, we enter this. Please fill the following form. We have a link here. Thanks. Okay, let's do that. So in that case, I am opening a second request and using another web Formstack form. In this case, let me enter this. Enrique my email Enrique demo ProcessMaker.com. Okay, test only. Okay, let's submit this, and that's it. Okay, we have read it now. So let's come back to ProcessMaker and let's see the request. Okay, remember, we have another completed, number 7. For that, we have a different path. This is including a participant, no? And if you see right now, we have information. I enter it, the phone, it was empty, my name with an X-ray error here. And right now we have the complete form the stack. In the data we have exactly the three elements we designed in this section, because we only add these three. But of course, we can add these two in the next time in order to include this information as well. I hope this can help to understand how Formstack integration works in ProcessMaker 4. Thank you.